Here I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and then what you have to do is to just hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second. And that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down. And that's how you can take screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are, our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.